Are your parents looking to supplement your income in a lucrative and legitimate way? I have a solution for you. Hi, I'm Hadiza. I'm a mom. I'm originally from Nigeria. I'm based in New York, United States. I'm a digital business owner and mentor, helping everyday people leverage social media to earn income through social media advertising. Like most immigrants like us, when we come into our new homeland, we are happy, we are excited, we are full of joy. And before we know it, it becomes a circle. We're working long hours, we're looking for overtime, we're trying to meet the household need and the demand, not just for our immediate family, but family back from our native homes. And that's where I found myself, working long hours, menial jobs. Eventually, I went back to school. I was doing great, and life happened. Things are expensive. We grew a family, and here we are. I'm not there to be the mom that I envisioned. I'm always running out to work, trying to meet our ever-growing needs. But the thing for me was that I envisioned a beautiful home, a beautiful family, having time together in place of prayer, in place of worship, going to church, having time in the park, travel. But all that dream was kind of packed in a box and stored in the attic somewhere. But I knew that there's more to life than what I was living. Just living hand to mouth, just coming in and rushing back to the next available schedule or shift. I knew there is so much more to life than that. I want some comfort, the type of comfort I've dreamed of. But the more I press, it looked like our future and our dream was getting farther and farther away from me. And it's heartbreaking. Working in a medical facility, I work long hours. I work multiple shifts. Sometimes even pick up menial jobs. You find yourself 60, 80 hours, and you come back tired. The only thing you want is just to sleep. You just be on your bed and nothing more. And before you know it, you're back at that same circle and schedule again. But I had it up to here and spilling to the point that I wanted the vision that I have for myself and my family to really begin to manifest. I want to be able to live that. And that hunger and the desire led me to starting my own digital business. I came across starting this business in 2021, over 2 years ago, and I never looked back. It has changed the trajectory of my life and that of my family. Financially, I've been able to take my time back. With this business, I'm able to make time for my family. Over 4 months, I took time off to care for my family and be there to be a present mom. Nothing better than making your family a priority. Imagine spending time and school is off and you can easily pick the kids and go anywhere you want to go to without strain of money or strain of time. That was my vision. And I'm living that. And it's just the beginning because this same is available to you. Are you looking to increase your household income? Do you want to take your time back? Imagine what you can do if money is not an issue for you. For me, having excess money or having more means time with family, means nurturing my kids in a godly way, having time to have devotions with them, having time to spend with them on a long weekend when they're out of school, having time to be in church together. For me, that is priceless. Being able to meet our household needs without taking extra time off the family to go work. That's what it means to live in abundance for me. And this business has been able to help me do just that. This business is helping so many people just like myself who have started a year, 2 or 3 years ago or more to do the same thing. It's available to you to take advantage of. We have a webinar, 90 minutes webinar that we share the model of the business, the basics of the business, well thought out patterns that you also can follow. You learn how you too can start your own digital business so that you can earn extra income for you and for your family. So if you're open to learn more using our video-based proven system, you can click the Learn More button, register your name, your email. I will send you the information so that you too can get started today. Thank you.